Welcome. So today I'm going to take these 3 items that I found at a thrift store and do a upcycle project. So I have this cutting board. I went ahead and put just a base coat of white paint. Well, I'll leave it white, I don't know. But it was a cutting board that had been used, and now I'm going to turn it into a decoration. This old sign I got it for $1.98. I'm going to also do a base coat of white on it, but I think I'm going to take it outside and just spray paint it. And then this was a decoration. Also, I got it really cheap, so I like the color of the outside, so I'm just going to do a base coat of the inside. So first I'm going to cover up my table because it's looking pretty bad. I'm going to have to redo it if I keep on painting on it. And I just got some craft paint from the store, and so that's what I'm going to use. So for the next project, I'm going to start by removing the wire from the wire hanger from the top and the little tin hearts. After that was done, I went ahead and took it outside and spray painted it with a base coat of white. I just added a little distress with a black paint pen that I purchased from Amazon. All the stencils that I'm using today in these projects I got from Chalk Couture, a website. I'll leave a link to that down below. I'm just going to add a bow at the top for decoration.